Hey everyone, well we're here in a familiar spot, the Metropolitan Lounge, Moynihan Train Hall, waiting on the Empire Builder, headed to Utica, New York, to go see the Comets play, which are the New Jersey Devil minor league team, and should be a fun experience, riding up the Hudson.
Okay, give me a second and then, you know what, right there, the name.
Oh, good. When you're driving down?
Ladies and gentlemen, station stop coming up is Poughkeepsie. Please exit towards the rear of today's train where you see a member of today's crew. Now arriving Poughkeepsie. Please exit towards the back of today's train.
Absolutely great crew. This New York crew was 5-star. And John, the cafe attendant, he should teach these kids. There's the crew, they're happy, it's over. in Utica. But check this out. It's frosty up here in upstate New York. All right, the adventure continues. Go see Utica Comets play some hockey, and great ride up. Great crew. Great crew. Well, years ago, I ran one of my first long, kind of long, 6 hours on the Vermonter.
Oh, yeah.
And so I ran into cafe people on the Vermonter, Tommy. However, John over here rivals the Hall of Fame cafe car attendant because John actually was a chef. And so let's get the full service dining back in. But John, explain to people why they should take the Empire service up to Buffalo.
Well, listen, we've got great frequency of service. We have business class. We have timely trains. We have cafe service on those trains to Buffalo and Niagara Falls. And it'll expand, I'm sure, in time.
Well, all I want to say is John gave me the heads up that the Mohawk River is coming up Sunset. Don't miss it, Johnny. Quit dilly-dallying. But awesome crew. And I will tell you, absolutely 5-star cafe business class attendant. Are you listening, Secretary Buttigieg? Are you listening, Amtrak? Johnny and Johnny. Perfect together.
Come ride with us.
All right. All right, we've arrived in Utica, and there's a bit of snow on the ground, and we got the old Adirondack Railroad over here, so I don't know if there's going to be on board anytime soon. So let's go have a beer and say goodbye to probably one of the best rides I've had in a long time. Wow. Well, I have to say, this is really a surprise. Look at this station. It's amazing. Just met a great guy over here. He's going to get some information for me. We're going to print it out. Utica, get here. All right, one of the things about the Jersey Johnnie channel is I just left a beautiful train station, but now it's time for some local beer and then a walk to our hotel. So, Slava Ukraine. Well, I knew things were going to start happening. I got a Yankee fan back here playing some tunes. Utica, get here. All right, we reached our destination, and it was a bit of a treacherous, it was a bit of a treacherous walk. They don't shovel in Utica, but here we are, the Hotel Utica. Finally.
There's something about her dress.